Yeah. No fairy tale, no fake shine. This is Kazakhstan, born under pressure, raised under the blue sky. Yeah. 91 December, cold wind on the ground. A new flag lifted while the old walls came down. STEPPE in the blood, future in the hands. Young nation standing where the great road expands. From broken systems to a self-made name. From empty shelves to a different game. Astana rose where the frost bites hard. Ahmed, he kept the mountains like a royal guard. We got oil in the west, wheat in the north. Copper and coal pushing industry forth. Gold in the soil, chrome in the stone. But real strength lives in the people at home. Not everybody rich, not everybody free. Some count millions, some count T. Some ride black cars past the tire blocks. Some wake up early for a 12-hour clock. But don't call us weak, don't call us small. We took every hit and still stood tall. From village dust to city light, Kazakhstan learned how to fight. Rise from the steppe, rise from the pain. Blue flag high through the snow and rain. Hands to the sky, feet on the land. Kazakhstan, we stand, we stand. Rise from the steppe, louder than fear. Let the whole world know we're here. From the old road to the skyline bright, we don't fall, we rise tonight. Yeah, we came from stories that the wind still keeps. Nomad roads where the wild horse sleeps. Dombra strings with a heartbeat inside. Every old scar got national pride. Look at the land, man, it's bigger than words. Caspian waves and the eagle birds. Sharing cuts deep like a blade in the earth. Berabake dreams like a legend at birth. Turkestan prayers in the ancient air. Shamkin heat with the southern flair. Karaganda mines with the coal dust crown. Acti road flame with the black gold found. But every bright tower got a shadow below. Every fast deal gotta work on moving slow. Prices go up, wages stay tight. People still smile, but they fight every night. We need clean hands where the big cash flows. Need fair roads where the cold wind blows. Need every kid from the block to the plane to believe this country can remember their name. That's the truth, no filter, no mask. Beauty and struggle in the same glass. Kazakhstan heavy, Kazakhstan real. Steel in the heart, fire in the will. This is the land, this is the code. Step in the soul, wait in the road. Rich man, poor man, same blue sky, same sun watching when the dreams fly high. This is the land, this is the sound. From the deep earth to the world stage now. Say it with pride, say it with chest. Kazakhstan came from the tech. Young Rakan Ibrahimov, gold in the ring. Sydney heard the anthem when he did his thing. Begzats at the count of young flame, bright star. Gone too soon, but his name went far. Golovkin hit hard, triple G in the lights. Kazakh thunder shaking, international nights. The mash took a voice from kobyz skies. Make the whole world stop when the high notes rise. Rabakina serve power on Wimbledon grass. Kazakhstan flag moving fast like a flash. Then it's 10 on ice, bracing every spin. A champion soul with a light within. Some all on screen, can't stop the truth. Kimmer took stories from here to the booth. And now Maladoy with the sniper aim. Kazakh kid loading into the global game. From boxing gloves to stadium songs. From cinema screens to where sports belongs. For every name that the world now sees, there's a million more with the same heartbeat. Drivers, teachers, miners in the cold. Mothers with strength that can't be sold. Fathers keep quiet but carry the load. Young ones dream past the end of the road. So this ain't pop, this ain't fake applause. This is a country with beauty and flaws. Under the blue sky, pressure and pride. Kazakhstan, standing with the world outside. Rise from the steppe, rise from the pain. Blue flag high through the snow and rain. Hands to the sky, feet on the land. Kazakhstan, we stand, we stand. Rise from the steppe, louder than fear. Let the whole world know we're here. From the old road to the skyline bright, we don't fall, we rise tonight. Not perfect, not perfect, not easy.